Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Hakman Traders. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to not miss out any trade in the stock market or the forex market. For this reason, you will have to recognize which way the overall market is heading. Like for example, if it's is it an uptrend or a downtrend or a side trend, then according to that you will have to place your orders. If it's an uptrend, you'll have to look for opportunities of a buy order, and if it's a downtrend, you're going to look for opportunities. Sorry, if it's a an uptrend, you'll have to look for long position to place a buy order, and if it's a downtrend, you'll have to look for opportunities to short your positions. And in a side trend, I'm going to be showing you I've showed to you some tips and tricks on how to trade a side trend, but in this case I'm going to, but in this video I'm also going to be showing you how to trade a side trend, just to show you, give you a slightly idea of how to trade a side trend. So let's get started. Now first of all, as you see that this is in an uptrend, so you'll have to recognize what the overall market is doing, like if it's an uptrend or a downtrend. So in this case it's an uptrend. Now as you can see that this started moving from this place here. Now whenever a trend forms higher highs, it means that it's moving in an uptrend, and you will have to place a buy order in that case. Well, this happened due to the impact of the coronavirus. So as the stocks dropped, nearly all of the stocks dropped. I'm not 100% sure, but nearly all of the stocks dropped in those days. So as those dropped, this started to slightly go in the upward direction in an uptrend. As you can see here, it formed a higher high here, not high from this one, again a higher high, and a lower high, again a lower high. In this case it moved in the upward direction. Now as you can see here, with an uptrend, and as I only mentioned to you uptrend, downtrend and side trend, there is one more thing, a correction. As the when the market dips by 5 to 10%, now you can see here that you can also trade in these levels here, as it stopped at this level and moved in the upward direction. Now in this case you see this is a clearly example of a correction, as it dipped the market from 5 to 10% and then moved in the upward direction. So this is a great buy signal, that you can place your buy order here, place a long position here, and now you can see where the market is trading. It traded right here yesterday. So this is a great place to place a buy order. And one more, and I want to also mention here that whatever comes down goes up. So by keeping this in mind, you also see that this is a doji star right here, a green doji star. It moved in the upward direction, and to recognize which way the overall market will head, you will also, for this purpose, you will also have to use indicators. As you can see that the indicators doesn't show signs of recovery at these levels, but as it reached here at these level, it starts to change its course. The same is with the RSI. You know, one indicator may not show you that the overall market will turn, but the others will show you. As you can see here, look here, the RSI started to move in the upward direction. So for this purpose, you will have to use different indicators to show you where the overall market had. Maybe you want to use the 5-minute time frame, the 1 hour time frame. I use the 1 day. So use indicators which suits you best, and know that this will give you results. Another thing is, when the market starts to turn, you'll have to recognize when the market will turn into a downtrend. As you can see here, started to come down, and you can see that the indicators also show that the market will go down. So in this case you can short your position here at these levels or this level here. And one more, and I also showed to you in the previous videos of mine on how to trade with the help of candlesticks. Whenever a candle opens above and closes below, as you can see, this is normal in a trend. But when a candlestick opens below the previous close of the candlesticks and closes below that, it means that it's a correction or some type of a it means that if it is a correction, or it may be a downtrend. As you can see here, in this case nothing happened, as it is normal. You know that some sellers sold out their stocks, and because they are afraid that the trend might change, trend might reverse. So in this case they sold their stocks. As you can see that again some buyers jumped in and bought those stocks and moved the trend in the upward direction. So you'll also have to apply this principle as well for trading, for to not miss out any trades in the stock market. Although you will miss out, you cannot catch all of them. In a side trend, buy at its lowest and sell at its highest. With the help of this, you will also have to recognize of how the RSI is doing in its previous history. As you can see here that 40 is its oversold area. So you'll have to keep the 40 area as an oversold area and buy whenever, place a long position whenever it reached to this level, and then sell as it reached to the overbought area, whichever it may be in your case. And do check out my previous video on how to trade a side trend with the help of RSI, and you can also apply the same principle here of the candlesticks to trade with the help of candlesticks. As you can see here, opened below and closed above. The same thing happened here. You can buy here and gain some profit here by selling those things here. So that's it for today. Hope you guys are enjoying my videos and want to learn more about the stock market. All I need you is to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button and comment down below, as your feedback is valuable for me. Goodbye.